4 designs of cute mini condiment containers. Great for packing mayo, spices, pills, non-runny sauce. Snap lid ensures secure closure. Great for adding on your bento lunchbox. About 14 milliliters, 1.5 wide, per container, 4 containers included. Pack your bento lunchbox with this condiments container, great for thick sauce, not runny sauce. Pack condiments separately using these cute, mini containers. 4 designs included. Not leak-proof. Great for sauces, spices, spreads, dressings and dips. Snap lid prevents spills. Made in Japan. Top reviews from the United States. CuteZCute. Items came as described, quickly and packaged safely. Wouldn't advise running them through a dishwasher, unless it was on a delicate cycle, but they are too cute and multifunctional to pass up. Even with having to hand wash them, they are very easy to clean. They are about the size of a silver dollar and almost an inch deep. They're flip-top, not screw-on lids. I don't mind that at all, but I thought I'd mention it. I've never actually put liquids in them, so I cannot attest to the seal, but they do serve many uses for me and I couldn't be happier with them. I'm actually thinking of ordering a second set.